Welcome, and from me is XIAOMI Mi 9 Lite, and today I'll show you how to put the device into fastboot mode. So to get started, let's power it off by holding the power key and selecting power off. And once it's off, you then want to hold power key and volume down, both of the keys at the same time. And soon after we should see fastboot mode. So that is how you put it into the fastboot mode. And if you want to leave it, all you need to do is hold power key till the screen turns off. And it will automatically power back on. Now you can see that we're back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.